Welcome back to the lesson. I want. We see many animals around us. In class 1, we read about an animal which has a long tail. Yes, you're right. Bandar or Gilhari. The monkey moves from tree to tree with the help of its long tail. The butterfly has wings. The zebra has stripes. The elephant has a long trunk, a strong trunk. But do you think we will look nice if we have everything? No. So, before we read the lesson, we should know some words, spellings of words. Strong. The elephant is very strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. Magic. M-A-G-I-C. Magic. The magician. You must have seen magic show. He does a lot of magic. And he has a stick in his hand. The wand. W-A-N-D. Now, we have already come across the word giraffe, which has a long neck. And all of us are happy when we go for a picnic or a party, H-A-P-P-Y. The elephant has a long trunk, T-R-U-N-K. Now, let us proceed with reading the lesson. I want to be big, says little monkey. I want to be strong. Now you read again along with me. I want to be big, says little monkey. I want to be strong. A wise woman hears him. W-I-S-E, wise. Take this magic wand, she says, and all your wishes can come true. T-R-U-E, true, right? A wise woman hears him. Read, children. Take this magic wand, she says, and all your wishes can come true. A giraffe comes by. Now the monkey sees the giraffe. He stretches his neck. Now the monkey liked something about the giraffe. It has a long neck and it is able to eat the leaves at the top of the trees. He eats the sweet leaves at the top of the trees. Now the monkey wanted the long neck of the giraffe. I want a long neck, says little monkey. Pop. So what did it want from the giraffe? Yes, it wanted its long neck. His neck grows long just like the giraffe's. Little monkey is happy. Now it is a small monkey. So it does not know what is good for it. That is why you have to listen to your parents, teachers and elders. An elephant comes down to the river. He fills his trunk with water. Now the elephant, it has a long and strong trunk. He blows it all over himself. Now the monkey saw this and liked this. So with the help of the magic wand, it wanted the trunk. He fills his trunk with water. He blows it all over himself. Did you see? I want to do that too, says little monkey. Bang! So what happened? Bang! And with the help of the magic wand, it could get the elephant's trunk. So let us read once again. I want to be big, says little monkey. I want to be strong. A wise woman hears him. Take this magic wand, she says, and all your wishes can come true. A giraffe comes by. Now you know the monkey is in the forest, and all these are wild animals in the forest. He stretches his long neck. He eats the sweet leaves at the top of the trees. I want a long neck, says little monkey. Pop! His neck grows long, just like the giraffe's. Little monkey is happy. An elephant comes down to the river. He fills his trunk with water. Now in class 1 we have read about this river. All the friends together going to the river. He blows it all over himself. I want to do that too, says little monkey. Bang! And he gets the monkey gets the elephant's trunk. So now page number 29. Please read at home again and again, so that you can know the story, you can know the spellings, and you can know how to read the lesson. And we come across 3 animals in this. What are they? One is the little monkey, then you have the giraffe, and then you have the elephant.